Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop to remove objects by copying clean areas over them. First, open your image in Photoshop. Important prep step. Create a new empty layer. Click the New Layer icon in the Layers panel. This keeps the edit non-destructive. Now, look at the left toolbar. Click the Clone Stamp tool. It looks like a rubber stamp. At the top options bar, set Sample to Current and Below. This lets you clone from the image underneath. Next, hold Alt and click a clean area near the object. This sets the sample source. Now, paint over the object you want to remove. Use short strokes for better control. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.